Simple properties and uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is colorless, odorless gas, denser than air, and slightly soluble in water. So CO2 is colorless, it has no color. Odorless, it has no smell. It's denser than air and slightly dissolves in water. It is used in carbonated fizzy drinks because it dissolves in water under pressure. Carbonated drinks, for example, soft drinks like Cola, Pepsi, Sprite, and so on. So it is used in carbonated drinks because it dissolves in water under pressure. When you open up the bottle, the pressure falls and gas bubbles out of the solution. So when we open up the bottle of any soft drink, it makes a sound since pressure falls and gas bubbles come out of the solution. Since this water is carbonated, it contains carbon dioxide. It is also used in extinguishers to put out electrical fires. Extinguishers are the devices used to control fires, or those caused by burning liquids, where using water could cause a problem. So we use extinguishers to control fire and not water, since water contains oxygen, where it adds up to the fire. That's why extinguishers are used instead. So these are the simple properties and uses of carbon dioxide.